Check this out, guys. In the past week, I was able to generate over $277 using this easy copy and paste method without generating any sales at all, using completely free resources. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how you can set up this exact same method in just a couple of minutes. And the best part about this method is you can do it all from your phone. Now, for this method, you don't have to have any previous skills or experience. All you have to do is just follow this video from beginning to the end. And because I'm going to give you all the free resources that you are going to need for this, you don't even have to have your own website. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I was able to generate over $270 in one single week using this method on this content locking platform that's called OGAds.com. If you are going to be following this method, I highly suggest that you go to OGAds.com and you sign up for your free account. And because signing up to OGAds isn't as easy as signing up to any other CPA marketplace out there, because they take great care about who they are going to work with, what you want to do is just follow this video right here in this bubble that is going to pop up just about now to see a detailed step-by-step guide on how to actually sign up to OGAds without any problems so you can proceed with this method. So the first thing you want to do is sign up for your OGAds account, then just log right into it. And once you're going to log right into your account, you want to go to this toolbar, go to Tools and click on Content Lockers. Then you just pretty much want to click on Create a Content Locker button right here. And as you can see, to create a locker on OGAds, it's a very simple process. All you want to do is just go ahead and name it something for your own reference. For example, like Content Locker number 1. Then you want to scroll down here and you want to make sure the unlock action is going to be set to redirect to another URL. Now, pretty much for this method to work, you will have to put some kind of URL in here that you want to drive the target audience to. And that's actually the entire point of content locking and making money with it, because once they're going to click on your content locker, they will be displayed a couple of these CPA offers that they first have to complete in order for them to unlock the URL. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you the exact URL that you want to put in this field. So it's going to be working with the traffic source that I've been testing Methodist out with. And to do that, pretty much you want to go to Google and in the search bar, you want to type in See Movies. Hit search on that and you want to go to this first website that's called cmovies.so. And if you're going to open it up, you can see this website is offering an option to watch multiple movies and TV series for whoever is going to come to it. Now, this is the website we are going to be locking with the OGAds content locker, and then we are going to drive relevant traffic to it using one of the easiest copy and paste ways. So first of all, what you want to do is just copy the link to this website right here, then just head over to OGAds.com and you want to paste it into this redirect URL field, just like that. Then head over to OGAds content locker and you want to paste it into this required field. Just like that. Okay, then what I highly suggest is that you go to these advanced options right here, and in here what you want to do in this payout threshold field, you want to select the amount of dollars that is the bare minimum you want to be making with this content locker. Now, because we are going to be driving tons of traffic to this content locker, you don't want to go with something crazy like $15. What you want to do is start slow, for example, like with $1.2. That way, every time somebody is going to complete the content locker that you have created, you can make anywhere from $1.20 up to $10, $15, or even $17 for each of these completions. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this content locker. So it's going to be in your list of lockers that you have created. And all you want to do now is just share its link and drive traffic to it. But first, I'm going to show you one of the reasons why using OGAds is such a powerful website, because if you go to these offers and you are going to filter by payout, you can see some of these offers on OGAds are paying up to $73.94. So pretty much if you're going to stumble upon a golden nugget from the traffic that you're going to get, you can make over $70 for one completion of the CPA offer. Now, pretty much if you're going to check out the description, you can see that this exact CPA offer requires $50 deposit from whoever's going to try to complete it. So some of these are pretty unrealistic in higher numbers. Obviously, anything can happen statistically, but these offers aren't something that I would go for. If you're going to scroll a little bit down, you can see that the average top performing offer on OGAds is around $15, or somewhere in the ballpark of $10, which is pretty much more realistic, because pretty much, for example, for this offer that's available only for Mexican traffic, you can get paid $10.40 for every pin submit, which pretty much means means to complete this offer, whoever's going to try to unlock the CPA locker will have to just submit their phone number. So once you're going to create a content locker just like this, embedded with the link to cmovies.so, what you want to do is just go to these actions, click on details, and you want to find this red URL right here, which is pretty much the cornerstone of this entire method. You want to copy this URL, then you want to go to Google and the search bar, you want to hit search on that, and you want to visit this website that's called beacons.ai, which is going to allow you to create this very simple mobile friendly landing page. Now, one of the reasons why we are creating this page on Beacons instead of on some other free hosting platform is because some of the best performing offers on OG ads are actually pin submit. So you want the most amount of traffic coming to this landing site be from mobile. Obviously, you can view Beacons landing pages on a PC, laptop, or any other device as well. But because of the traffic source that we are going to use with this method, going with Beacons is going to be one of the easiest options out there. So what you want to do is just get your Beacons free account, and you want to start creating this link in bio landing page. That's going to be look something like this. Now I'm just going to repurpose one of the old Beacons pages that I've been using before, but pretty much what you want to do here is just customize it however you want it to look like. And for this method, I'm going with something that's going to be resembling the site that we are going to be locking. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to go to cmovies one more time, and I'm going to take a screenshot of some of the content on this site, for example, something like this. Then I'm just going to go back to Beacons, and I'm going to go to design, and I'm going to change the background of this landing site. Pretty much what you want to do here is just go to this design section, and you want to scroll all the way down here where you are going to find all these backgrounds that you can choose from. And you want to click on upload. Obviously, I have uploaded a screenshot that I have just took, and upload a screenshot to Beacons. And if you're going to check it out, it's going to look something like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my pages, and I'm going to add block, and just pretty much click on links. Now, what you want to do is just click on add new link, and you just want to fill in these fields to create your link button. What I'm going to do to add title is just write in there something like watch free movies. Here to this subtitle, I'm going to write click here to watch movies for free. Then I'm going to go back to OG ads to my content locker that I have created previously. I'm just going to click on actions and click details. And I want to copy the red URL to my content locker. Just copy it, go back to Beacons, and you want to paste it into this URL field, just like that. And if you want, you can also add an image for this exact link. So I'm just going to upload the exact same screenshot that I took from the cmovies website, and I'm going to select a portion of it that I want to display. For example, something like, let's say, this. Okay, then I'm just going to click on accept, and it's going to change its button to something like this. Then I'm also going to add this shadow and outline to my button, so it's going to be a little bit more visible, something like this, for example. Once you're done customizing your Beacons landing site, what you want to do is just grab its link by pressing the share button, and you want to click on copy. Now for the next step, what you want to do is head over to Instagram, and we want to sign up or log into your account if you are going to be using one of the existing accounts that you already have. And pretty much because I'm showing you how to do this method on laptop, I'm not able to do the next step right here on this laptop, but right now you should see the footage from my mobile phone that I obviously recorded after recording this video on laptop, where I'm going to show you in detail how you can add the Beacons AI link into your bio on Instagram, which is one of the most important steps of this method. So once you're going to add the Beacons landing site to your bio on your Instagram profile, you want to start driving traffic to it. Now to do that, what you want to do is just pretty much head over to TikTok. You want to go to the search bar and type in there something like watch free movies, and you want to click on search. Right here you are going to find tons of content that you can use for this method if you are going to do exactly what I'm going to show you, so you will not get into any trouble. As you can see right here, these videos are getting tremendous amounts of views, literally in hundreds of thousands, some of them even in millions on TikTok, and pretty much that means they are going to be working on Instagram as well. What you want to do here is just go ahead and find a bunch of these videos that you want to use. For example, like this one right here. here, if you're going to open it up, it's going to resemble exactly what we have outlined on the beacon's landing site. So this one is going to work very well. And pretty much all you want to do now is just go to this description and you want to copy its link. Then you just want to head over to this website that's called sssstick.io and you want to paste the link to the TikTok video into this field. What this is going to allow you to do is to download the video from TikTok without a watermark to your computer, so you can use it, obviously responsibly, to drive traffic to your landing site. Just click on without watermark to download it to your computer, and once you are going to finish that, you want to go to Instagram and you want to click on create. Now you just want to upload this video to Instagram, and pretty much you can't hear it right now, but you want to leave sound on, and preferably you want to find the video on TikTok that's going to promote what it's actually showing. So just upload it to Instagram, and what you want to do here in this description, you want to write something like, want to visit this website? Check link in bio. That's pretty much all you want to add into this description, other than a bunch of hashtags. And to do that, what you want to do is just add a bunch of these dots just like this to your bio, so the hashtags are not going to be visible right away. Add like 5 to 10 dots in there, and what you want to do then is just go to this website right here that's called besthashtags.com, and you want to search for hashtags related to free movies. Once you're going to find a bunch of hashtags that you want to use, pretty much just click on copy and you want to paste them into this description just like that, and then just click on share. Now you can see your reel has been shared to Instagram. So what you want to do is just go to TikTok and repeat this process for at least 2 or 3 of these videos per day, and slowly over time you are going to start getting tons of traffic to your beacon's landing site. And because people are going to want to watch movies for free, what they are going to do is click on this button, they will be taken to the CPA locker, and because first they need to complete the CPA locker to be able to access the website, they are going to do that and you are going to get paid. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you find this method helpful. If you do, just go ahead and set it up, and if this method for some reason doesn't sit with you well, what you can do is check out this one right here, which is going to show you a completely different way to make money online. So just click here and I'm going to see you there.